Up on the clouds we jump and play, touch the sun and breathe the day. Paper plane of colors bright, singing songs in golden light. A little hop above the sky, the sweetest dream as we float by. Laugh and play our whole life long. Oh yeah! Let's gather all the colors, make a garden bright and new. Fly just like the butterflies, spinning round the stars with you. Such a sweet adventure here, happiness is everywhere. Let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play.
Hey kid, let's go on an adventure. Yeah. Up in the morning with a jump and a hop, we start our day and we never want to stop. We put on our shoes and we run out the door. We find a big map on the forest floor.
Yeah, we follow the path where the tall trees grow. We wave to the bunnies and the deer down low. Then we find a river and we build a small boat. We splash in the water and we stay afloat. We see a green frog on a lily pad seat. He's dancing along to a funky little beat. Then the wind starts to blow and the boat turns fast. We see a big mountain that is built to last. Whoa, whoa. We climb to the top where the clouds are white. We reach for the sun that is burning so bright. Then we see a drum and scale so cold. We tell you that this girl is very, very old. He gives us a ride on his big strong back. We fly through the sky on a secret truck. We pass by the moon and we can't see stars. We say hello to Jupiter and Mars. Whoa. We slide on a rainbow, purple and red, and land very softly on a giant flower bed. The bees bring us honey and the birds bring us cake. We have a big party by the crystal blue lake. Whoa. And when we all got and the sky comes deep, we call up together for a long sweet sleep, dreaming of everything we did today, waiting for tomorrow to come out and play. Good night.
I have a brush, I have a pen. Let's start to draw again and again. Yeah, and yellow, green and blue. I can paint a wall for you. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Draw a flower, draw a tree. Smile big and look around. Look at the colors we have found. Draw a circle big and round, like a sun above the ground. Draw a triangle up so high, like a bird flying in the sky.